Hello students, welcome to Prayashu YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class subject intelligent test and the topic is analogy words. In this one, the exercise 6.1 we are going to see, and before this one on same topic there are some model questions also. So that one also we are going to make an overview. So already these are in a solve in our questions. So questions common directions are there. In the following questions, the word in a first pair or we can say the term has some relations with each other. The same relations holds true for the words in a second pair. Identify the relations and select the correct options to replace the question mark. So on a question mark we have to choose the correct from the relation basis of with the first two terms, and as per the third terms this question marks means four terms we have to choose from the given options. So question number one is there, industrious and then idle. Okay, industrious means busy or we can say continuous work, idle means no work. Okay, means that is a antonyms. So calm, in calm that is a antonyms is the angry. So option number 3 is there. Now question number 2, Goa Panji means Goa is a state and Panji is the capital of the Goa. Then Assam also states and Assam also have the capital Dispur. So option number 3 is the correct. Now question number 3, sugar sweet it's a taste. Then gooseberry, gooseberry means we can say in a Marathi avla or Hindi karonda. So that taste is astringent. Okay, so means in Marathi turat. Okay, so that is a option number 3. Then question number 4, father mother, like this one, the man and the woman. Then question number 5, sky, the color of the sky is a blue, so tomato having the color red. Then question number 6, Parsi, and then here the question. So Bauddha Tripitaka. So this is the holy book we can say. Okay. So as per this one, Parsi having the book Avesta. So means option number 3. Then question number 7, North Hemisphere means in a country. So in a North Hemisphere country, India is one of the countries there. Then like this one, South Hemispheres. So which of the countries there? So Russia, Egypt and Japan all are in a North Hemispheres, but Australia is in South Hemispheres. So that's why Australia is correct one. Then question number 8. So there is a 21st of June means longest day of the year in our country. In our country means in India. Like this one, 22nd of the December means the short longest night we can say or shortest day. So but here longest night is correctly at the year in our country. Yes, this is correct. But shortest night is no. This means the same this one. But option number 2 is a correct one. Now, question number 9, the symbol means here the harbor mentioned. So, like this symbol of the harbor and this symbol of the lighthouse. So, this is in option number 2 correct. Now, we are going to see the exercise 6.1. So, which is available on page number 177. So, there is a common directions as per the same. The first term and the second term hold the specific relationship. We have to identify these relations and the same relations we have to keep. And as per this one, the true for the third part and the fourth part. And as per this one, we have to select the alternatives or the options from the given for questions. Okay. So question number 1 is there. Goat kid means there is a young one's name. So like this one, tiger's young one name is the cub, means option number 2 is correct one. Question number 2, cup ear. Cup means the we can holding that one, with that its ear calling. So needle have the nose through which the thread is weaving and we can make the sieving. So nose means option number 3 is the correct one. Now question number 3, rotation then day means earth's rotations. So as per this one, the day happen, rotation means it's a safe self revolving. Okay, and this revolution means around the sun. As per this one, the year is happening, so means option number 4 is correct one. Then question number 4, saris are made in a, or we can say paithani are famous from the Yeola, which is in the Nasik district. Like this one, bed sheets from the Solapur are the famous. So the option number 2 is the correct. Then question number 5, Baisakhi is a festival belongs from the Punjab. Like this one, Onam is a festival belongs from the option number 4 Kerala. Then question number 6, 28th February Science Day. So 11 November is the Education Day. Means option number 2 is correct one. Now question number 7. Jnaneshwari written by the Jnaneshwar. So Leela Charitra is written by the Chakradhar Swami. So this one, option number 3 is the correct one. So student, for these questions, mostly you must have the knowledge about the general knowledge, or we can say the readings. Okay. So apart from the our academic knowledge, you must have to read or listening the some good information, or we can say the helpful information or beneficial information from the news, or we can say some informative channels or some books also we have to read, so that our vocabulary has to increase. Then we can give the such type of the correct answers of the questions in analogies. So this is a relation with the specifically the words, means that is a specifically in English related, or sometimes a language related. Okay, or we can say some historical or geographical also questions. So for this one, the most is the general knowledge is mostly important. Okay, so now we are going to see the next question. So question number 8 is there bull. So bellows is there. Bulls means they are shouting, or their voice is like a bellows, that is called. This bellow is not a, like a in their neck. Okay, that is not a sound making the sound of the some instrument. This bellow is the name of their we can say making the some humbarne in Marathi saying. So that is a bellow. Like this one, elephant. When the elephants are shouting, that is called as a trumpets. Trumpets. Okay. Then question number 9. TV. The TV's long form is a or television. Like this one, AM is a time related. AM means ante meridiem. So option number 3 is the correct. Now question number 10. Doubtful and sure. This already question we have covered in our lecture video. So doubtful and sure. Like this one, precede means preceded. Succeed means preceded. This is a, we can say, antonyms. Okay. So option number 2 is the correct. Now question number 11. Magazine for the month. So daily, that is also the, we can say, the newspaper or something. So that is on basis on the day basis. Then question number 12. Nagpur from belongs to the Nagpur oranges are the famous. So from the Saswad, it's an area near to the Pune. From the Saswad, figs are very famous. Fig means the anjir, that is a fruit. Now question number 13. Flowers. Group of the flowers is called the bunch. Like this one, books bunch is a piles, means the thappi in Marathi we can say. Okay. Then question number 14. Sheep. From the sheep we are getting the wool. Like this one, from the goat we are getting the manure. Manure means there it's a fertilizer, means in Marathi we can say the lendi khat. Okay. Then question number 15. Trimbakeshwar, it's near to the Nasik, and then Paitan is near to the Aurangabad. Question number 16. Brother. Brother is a noun. Then we is a pronoun. Then question number 17. Yeshu Christ era means the period of the time, we can say, that is a Christian era. Then Muhammad Paigambar, that is a Hijri era. Okay, so option number 1 is the correct one. Then question number 18. Mars. Mars having the most of the their atmosphere carbon dioxide. On Earth, the most of the their atmosphere nitrogen gas is present, means near about the 77%. So now question number 19. Lothal belongs to the Gujarat. It's a ancient area. Means after they excavated, these are founded. Like this one, Kalibangan. It's belongs to the Rajasthan. Now question number 20. Aryabhatta are belong to the India, and like this one, Eratosthenes is belongs to the Greece. Now question number 21. Potter. For the potter making, we use the wheels. Okay, like this one, artist use the brush to make the painting. Then question number 22. Buddy and friends. It's like a synonyms. Like this one, cottage is also called as a hut. Option number 3 is the correct one. Then 23 question. So aeroplane. So aeroplane is driven by the pilot. That is called a pilot. Then like one, the railway operation by the railway, or we can say the driving by the motorman. So option number 3 is the correct one. Then question number 24. President is belongs to the nations. Like this one, governor means Rajyapal. So it's further related to the states. Means option number 2 is the correct. Now question number 25. Pumpkin is a fruit vegetable. Like this one, cabbage is a green vegetable. Then question number 26. Books are stored in a library. Like this one, food, or we can say food grains that are the store in a warehouse. Then question number 27. Bangles are hold in a hand. So like this one, ring are hold in a finger. Option number one is the correct one. Now, question number 28. Sitar having the strings for the making the sounds. Like this one, Shehnai. For this one, wind. Okay, so from the mouth, that is required. So wind is the correct option. Now, question number 29. Pant and shirt. Okay, so like this one, dhoti, kurta. Then question number 30, king, queen. Then like this one, peacock. So there is a peahen. Option number 2 is correct. Now question number 31, new and old. These are the antonyms. Like this one, rich and poor is there. So option number 1 is correct. Now question number 32, Shivaji and Sambhaji. So Shivaji Maharaj and the Sambhaji Maharaj, their relations is the father and the son's name. Okay, like this one, Tanaji and Raiba. Okay, so Tanaji is the father of Raiba. So that is the son and the father name, father relations. Now question number 33, horse, stable. Horse are living in stable. So that is that house, we can say the stable. Like this one, pig are the we are storing, or we can say the making the house for the pig, that is called as a sty. So option number 2 is the correct one. Then question number 34, spectacular is a adjective. Like this one, yesterday is a adverb. Option number 3 is the correct. Then question number 35, sun. From the sun we are getting the light. So from the air we are getting the oxygen. Then question number 36, cinema showing on a screen. So play means this is not a games. So this play means the skit. Okay, so we can say the natak. So this play is on a stage performing. Okay, so stage is the correct one. Then question number 37, Ganpati's Vahan is a mouse. So as per the Shankar, means the god Shankar, so Shankar's Vahan is a Nandi. So means option number 3 is the correct one. Now question number 38, bungalow, terrace. So on a bungalow, top of the area is called a terrace. So like this one, temple's top area is called a pinnacle, means the kalas. Then question number 39, Moro Trambak Pingle. So he is a chief of in Ashtapradhan Mandal in Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Then like this one, Niraji Ravji is a judge. Okay, in Ashtamandal. So option number 1 is correct. Now question number 40, bus and rectangular. So bus having the shape like the somewhat be like a rectangle. So in a boat shape is a crescent. Okay, so that is a option number 1 is a correct one. Thank you.